Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Now before we get into this video started guys, please like and subscribe and go check out my friend's YouTube channel, Edward Giesler, EDWARD space GISLER. And I want to give a shout out to Caleb Shepard, Desiree Bahari, and Edward Giesler guys. So without further ado, let's get this challenge started. So today I've got gloves. My next video is going to be with handcuffs. I got my own handcuffs. So right now I'm in the snow guys, so I'm gonna go try go in there. I wonder what jumping on a trampoline in snow. Alright guys, so we've got some rabbit tracks along here. There's like a bit of dildo. But that's not one. I want to try this first. Oh, ew. That doesn't sound good. Why is there like a hole there? Jesus, guys. Well, that's not good. I'll clear this off later. Whoa. That's so satisfying. Alright, guys. That crunching sound. I want to listen. Wait. I don't know. Mondays. Alright. Let's go. Let's get it. Oh! Also, I crashed my skidoo. So, yeah. Anyway. Fucking freaking snow. Oh my god, guys. Finally! Really? Hey guys, so I'm gonna try climb up onto the snow. So we all might. There's a tway. Neighbors, my house, heat. Alright. Oh, actually guys, so I'm gonna grab some lovely birch bark. That's pretty good. So guys, what you didn't know about birch bark, if you knew or not, anyway, birch bark is really good for lighting up. So today I'm gonna be lighting stuff up. I'm gonna be teaching a couple facts you didn't already know. So yeah, that's a birch bark tree. If you see this texture, that's a birch bark. You peel this off right here. Obviously, I'm not dumb, so I'm not gonna walk over, but it's really deep. So I have a little camp back here. It was made by my own. So I will show you that. So I'm gonna light my first part. This is my own lighter. And that's weird for 12-year-old kind of lighter. Shit. Literally. Fucking here. Extremely hard. Finally, guys. Sorry guys, my phone's wet. Finally. You guys can see on a branch. Gonna make a little spot. So, birch bark, one glove, two gloves, Kleenex, Tic Tac box, lighter. So, let's see if it lights. Okay, can't do it with my gloves on. Got flame going. I'm sorry, guys. Oh my god. Fuck. You kidding me? Okay, I'm not gonna waste my time lighting this, so what we're gonna be doing? Talking about trees. Alright, guys. Next box comes with me. So, it's pine tree. No, pine tree. There's pine wood. Sorry guys, this is an exciting video. If this video does quit, I'm sorry guys. It's just, I'm running out of room. I don't know if you guys heard that or not. But a huge crack. So guys, let's go through here. Let's end this video at like 12 minutes. Alright, here's a big challenge. Mornings. Monday. Mornings. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Oh shit. Yo. I'm so dumb. Okay. Guys, I'm crawling right now to freedom. You guys won't be able to see some stuff. Guys. Oh. Yo, I'm rolling. Oh my god. This is insane bullshit. What the fuck? Yo. Hold on, guys. Okay. So, just rolled. I think it's safe to stand. Oh! No. Back to crawling. Crawl. Crawl. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. Yeet. Alright, guys. So, yeah. Okay. It's my bush. So guys, please like, subscribe for part 2. And yeah. And so, this is what my skidoo is now. Flipped. Smells the deeper I am. 250 can't handle it. I might get a 540, guys. It's one of the best. Well, you know, my eyes. So guys, please like, subscribe, more handcuff videos, and more videos like this. So, stay savage, hit the notification squad, peace.